Hi, this is Carol Conlon, and this is the third video in a series on how to use LifeWeaving Dowsing. And today's topic is testing health issues. Now, dowsing starts more, and LifeWeaving itself starts more from the spiritual level, working down through the mental, emotional, energetic, down to the physical levels. So often you don't get a direct response from the physical, but sometimes you do. The way to work with the charts is, first of all, to do the spiritual tune-up that I've talked about in the first video, and I use these 3 charts to do the work. And what happens is, once you've got the spiritual level cleared, and during that point, you can also ask whether the person is aligned with their original perfect destiny blueprint and their original perfect health blueprint. And these are the blueprints that we came in, the contracts we signed when we came in, that we would complete and do during a lifetime. Now, if a person comes in with ADHD, for example, it may be part of a contract because their soul didn't want to be bothered by an awful lot of things in life. So they're treated differently. If a person is in a car accident or something, that's usually not part of the destiny blueprint. That's sort of when you go off track a bit. Or if some type of you've done something really dumb with your health and you get off track, those types of things you have a better chance of clearing up with the LifeWeaving dowsing. So once we've done the tune-up, taken a look at what we're working with, then I like to start with what I call the power chart. And what it does, by asking questions, I'm finding out if the person, what body level is their problem on. Is it mental, emotional, spiritual, physical, energetic? That can tell you a lot about it, how it needs to be worked on. If it is an emotional problem, if not, the chart will send me to the physical chart, Prism Chart, it's called. And the Prism Chart tells a person is basically what's going on, and lets you go a little bit deeper. Is it, if it's internal, is it the gallbladder, the liver, the heart, the lungs, or what? And so you can use this chart for dowsing that type of work. Also, want to know what's going on with the general health of a person. And you can also do symptom tracking. If you have a number of symptoms, I have a headache every day, then start with the power chart. Why? Find out all the information you can here, clear it, and then, if need be, you will be sent to the Prism chart to figure out what is it? Is it the neck, the atlas? Is it liver? Is it what? Is it a chakra that's out of balance? You can just find it all out. And the Prism, actually working with these charts, we're again starting at the spiritual, working down towards the physical. So at the same time, it's good for the client to have a physical approach, working. And as you clear the blockages to healing, then those physical treatments will be much more effective. Occasionally, you get a miracle, and it is so awesome to see that. It can happen a lot with allergies. find the program where that allergy killed them, and their body goes, no more problem. You just have to be careful if it's a life and death type of allergy like shellfish, that they ease into it very, very carefully. But it can be done. And when people have problems that make no sense, the life weaving can always come back and kind of give you another idea of where to start looking. And that's really, really helpful, and what approach to use. So think of it as how to use life weaving to test for health issues. And I am Carol Conlon. If you'd like to know more about life weaving, be sure to check out carolconlon.thinkific.com, and the address is on the card. And if you're a dowser and want to know more, there are some classes now being offered and give you a chance to try your hand at dowsing as well. So have a really good day and stay healthy.